Now let's multiply signed mixed numbers. Okay, negative 3 and 1/4 times negative 4. We don't see a denominator under 4, and since it's a whole number, the denominator of 4 will be 1, because 4 divided by 1 is still 4. So any whole number, we always write 1 as the denominator. Now, we need to change first mixed numbers to improper fraction. So we multiply 3 by 4, which is 12, plus 1 is 13. So I'm going to copy the sign, which is negative, and then I rename the mixed number as 13 over 4. That's the improper fraction of 3 and 1/4 times negative 4 over 1. Now we notice that both fractions are negative, and remember the rule, if the signs are the same in multiplying integers, the product is always positive. Same thing with division, but this is multiplication, so it's going to be positive. Even in division, if the signs are the same, the answer is always positive. And then I noticed that we have a common factor between 4 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. So they're both divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 4 divided by 4 is also 1. And now we can now go ahead and multiply the remaining numbers. So 13 times 1 is 13, and 1 times 1 is 1. 13 divided by 1 is 13, so our final answer is positive 13. We don't need to write positive. It is understood that 13 is positive even though we don't write the sign in front of it. Now let's have another example. Now we have two mixed numbers here, so we're going to change each of them to improper fraction first. So 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25. So make sure you copy the sign. Don't forget to copy the sign. So 25 over 8, or negative 25 over 8, is the improper fraction for negative 3 and 1/8, times 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1. So this will be 3 over 2. I don't see any common factor between a numerator and a denominator, so we'll go ahead with our multiplication. And I noticed that this 3 over 2 has no sign, so it's understood that it's positive. So we're multiplying negative times positive. So if the signs are different, the product will be negative. All right? And then 25 times 3 is 75. And 8 times 2 is 16. We can change our answer into mixed number. So when we divide 75 by 16, how many groups of 16 are there in 75? So maybe we can have 4. All right, so let's double. Double of 16 is 32. That means 2 times. And we double 32 again. That would be 64. So we can get 4 groups of 16 from 75. 4 times 16 is 64. And our remainder will be 11. So this can be now written as negative 4 and 11 over 16.